Die Red Bull X-Fighters World Tour 2012 ist abgeschlossen und wir haben einen würdigen Champion. Levi Sherwood gewann 3 von 5 Red Bull X-Fighters. Die World Tour reiste rund um den Globus. Dubai, Glen Helen, California, Madrid, München und dann das große Finale in Sydney. Sehen Sie jetzt, wie wir 2012 zusammenfassen, in die Zeit zurückreisen und staunen Sie über atemberaubende Stunts und das, was passiert ist in diesem Jahr bei der Red Bull X-Fighters World Tour.
The man of the night, of the weekend, Levi Sherwood. Nicely done.
You know, I practiced hard and I felt like I was riding good, but I still wasn't expecting first place.
Glen Helen near Los Angeles, California. The biggest freestyle motocross track ever built.
So stoked to be able to witness these guys taking on this massive track that we've built here in Glen Helen.
Look at that backflip, no-hander.
Wow, the body variable. Potter is on. He flips up, whip flips up, the step up.
Nothing prepare you for the feeling of winning for sure, that's for sure. It's good.
Todd Potter in top spot here in Glen Helen.
Madrid, Spain, the most beautiful bullfighting arena on planet Earth.
Huge heart attack backflip one-hander. Rock solid. Oh my God, the rock solid backflip. Special flip. Yeah. Special flip. That was unbelievable. Run, unbelievable. Huge kiss of death backflip, scorpion style, beautiful. Levi takes his first win in Las Ventas.
I got a feeling this is probably my best win I've done. I feel like I really had to work for it, and there's no point there where I thought I had it.
Levi Sherwood won 2 of the first 3 contests and made a huge step towards the World Tour title. Munich, Germany, the historic Olympic Stadium.
Executioner backflip, that's what it was.
That is brand new. Big. There's the combo right there. The Cordova to Superman.
There it is. The special flip. Oh, wow. Into the bolt. I have never seen 2 back-to-back tricks of that caliber.
Wins his first X-Fighters ever, Andy Bell. That is awesome.
If I do well in Sydney, I'm kind of world champion.
The season's final took place here, Cockatoo Island in Sydney Harbour.
Oh my goodness! That was perfect! He pulled a double backflip.
Front flip.
Front and one-hander! Oh, yeah. Perfect!
The Sydney final and the final of the World Tour, Pages versus Sherwood.
Oh, and he throws it one-handed! He threw it one-handed! The player went one-handed! There it is! Oh no!
And this is it! There it is!
He definitely made me work for it tonight, and it was a big relief once it's all over.
Levi Sherwood is your 2012 Red Bull X-Fighters World Tour Champion.